I was about to start filming and I realized my lips were super dry.
And if I look tired, it's because I am. I'm attempting to start getting up earlier, trying to be productive, you know. But this is my clear quartz. I can't even talk. That's how you know I'm tired. I didn't even do my edges. I'm such a scammer. I'm trying to like hide like this, like, hey guys. This is my clear quartz gloss. This is my clear quartz necklace. So we were just rudely interrupted by a phone call because I film on my phone. But yeah, so the video that you're about to see, it's a pre-recorded video. I filmed it a few days after I filmed my first attempt at making lip gloss, and my clear quartz has peppermint in it, so that's why I didn't make the lip gloss that same day, because I was waiting for my coconut oil, my peppermint oil, and this other oil that I use is called let me just grab it. Polyisobutene 250. This stuff makes your lip gloss popping, okay? It makes it more shiny, it makes it smoother. And so I didn't have all these ingredients when I did my first attempt at making lip gloss. I actually filmed it right after I filmed my previous video of, you know, how I did my DIY logo and ordered my sticker labels. And you guys, I still like my logo, but I'm having issues with my stickers peeling off. They peel off really easily. And then on the wand tubes, they actually stay on the wand tubes really good. Just on the squeezy tubes, I'm having issues. But yeah, I was editing this video and I realized it didn't have an intro, so here we are. Different day, same video. Mind your business. Just keep on watching if you want to see how I make my clear lip gloss. You guys are probably tired of hearing me talking in my intro, so make sure you wash your hands if you're going to be making gloss with me. We're doing this together. And I'm sanitizing as well and putting on some gloves and doing my little setup, putting my bowl and making sure everything is all organized. And then I'm starting off with my Versagel, the lip gloss base. That's your main ingredient that you need for this lip gloss, okay? And I'm just showing it to you guys, you know, just trying to make you guys involved and adding my mineral oil. These pipettes make your life so much easier. And then I'm adding in my coconut oil. And then my vitamin E oil, you know, extra vitamins for moisture. And then this is the secret ingredient, the polyisobutene 250. It helps make your lip gloss magical, you know. You don't need to use that polyisobutene, but I like it. I like what it does for my lip gloss. And now I'm adding in my vanilla scent, the yummy vanilla scent. And mixing that up as well, mix until I have my desired consistency. And I needed to add a little bit more coconut oil. And then I added my peppermint scent, my peppermint oil. That actually adds a cooling sensation. It's really nice. And then to finish off my clear gloss, I'm adding silver holographic glitter. The good stuff. And mixing that in. Here we go with these damn dogs barking again. And if you can see the disposable lip gloss wand on my table, those are a really good investment. They're super inexpensive, and you can use that to kind of test your gloss on the back of your hand while you're mixing up your formula. I just think that's a good little investment. I already had them because I do makeup, but yeah, now I'm just filling up my syringes, and I did fill up my syringe a little bit too much, so don't be like me because it gets messy. If you do put too much, just make sure you put on the stopper over the bowl, because as you will see, it does leak out. But yeah, so I'm wiping off the tip of my syringe to make sure everything's nice and clean. Now I'm preparing my pipette to attach it to my syringe to make it kind of look like a straw to go on the end of the syringe. And then I'm getting rid of these gloves because they are sticky, and putting on a fresh clean pair. So it's been about an hour since I filmed that intro, and I'm pretty much done editing this video now. I made some coffee, moisturized my lips again, but I just jumped back on really quickly because as I was editing this video, I just felt like encouraging you guys to start your lip gloss business if you feel like that is something that want to do. Get your ideas set in place, do as much research as possible, and just start. Because like for me, this is like all new to me, like me learning how to do my website, me learning how to make the products themselves. I'm just trusting the process and believing that, you know, things are going to go really well. I'm not going to pretend like I know it all, because I don't. But I was editing this video and I was like, dang, it looks like I know what I'm doing. And that was literally my first time making my clear lip gloss. And that's whenever you go into something trusting the process, it's a lot easier than you think. Like, don't doubt yourself. If you want to do something, believe you can do it. Just go for it. If you're gonna do it, plan it out, have a vision, know your why behind the reason you're doing what you're doing, and just go for it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. And yeah, let's get into the good stuff. Now for the satisfying part of filling up the tubes. Romp. It's that simple. I don't know why I made that noise. I'm annoying. But here we go again, filling up another one. And then for the squeeze tubes, make sure you are going in a right-left motion back and forth to get all edges of the bottle. The same thing, you'll see me doing that again. And again, and again. And this is the skinnier squeeze tube. So that's why you can tell it's a little bit more narrow than the one I was doing before. And I was running out, so we're filling her up again. Get all of that in the syringe. Scoop it up. Don't waste none of it. Wiping off my hands again because it gets sticky. Sticky icky. My face looks so focused when I'm filling up these tubes. This was my first time making my clear gloss, so I was just admiring how beautiful it is. But yeah, this is pretty much it. If you guys liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up if it was helpful. Comment below if you guys have any other questions, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.